Hi, I'm Kate from BookWidgets, and in this short video, I will show you how to manage a BookWidgets license if you are the license administrator. First, it's essential to know that you need a BookWidgets account to become a license admin. So if you don't have an account yet and want to become an administrator, you must first create one here on the website via the Start for Free button. If you will not be creating widgets yourself and will not use BookWidgets as a teacher, your account remains free. It does not count as a paying user on your license. But you still need an account. Otherwise, we cannot make you the administrator. Once you have the account, send an email to support@bookwidgets.com asking to become a license admin. Once that is in order, log in via My Account and go to the subscription page via the account icon at the top right. There, you will see the license, and below that, the Managed Team licenses. As mentioned, you must contact BookWidgets to be designated as the license admin. You cannot set this up yourself. The managed team licensing part that you're seeing here is not visible to all accounts. It is only visible to the license administrators. In this example, I'm the license admin for one license key. It is possible, for example, to manage multiple licenses if you are an IT admin for multiple schools. It is also possible that one license has multiple administrators. So for a license that you manage, you will see the license key, the type of license, the expiration date, and the number of users. In this case, I have 3 teachers using the license. It is a license for 10 teachers, so 7 more teachers may be added to it. To see those users, you either click on the license key itself or click on the gear icon where you select License Users. Here you will see the general information again at the top, and at the bottom, the accounts currently using this license. If there is a teacher, for example, who is leaving your school, you can unlink him or her from the license by clicking on the bin icon. By doing so, you do not delete that teacher's BookWidgets account. The teacher can still link his, her, or their BookWidgets accounts to the license of the new school in which they may now be working. After unlinking the teacher's account, there is now an available space on this license. This is a very flexible system. You can always add teachers and remove them from the license as needed throughout the year. In order to add teachers to your license, you must first invite them. If you click on Invite Users, an email with the instructions to invite users will appear in your email client. You can send the email to the appropriate people, or you can copy the license key itself and share it with them, directing them to go to this page and click the blue button at the top to enter the license key. Finally, you can export the list of users on your license. It will give you an overview that also lists each user's last login date. So that's it. If you still have questions about how license management works, don't hesitate to contact us at support@bookwidgets.com.